So what we're going to do in this video, we're going to go to the forest in a second, which is about 5 miles away. We're going to walk there and we're going to be taking this device, which is a binaural microphone, and we're going to capture some of the sights and sounds using the camera and this microphone. Now if you're not sure what a binaural microphone is, basically it captures the 3D sound, so it gives you an immersive experience with the audio. This one here is from a gentleman called Jake Sloan. He has a YouTube channel which I'm going to link down below, and he teaches you how to make one of these for around about £80. Now this is really cheap compared to buying one yourself, and first off I'd like to say a big thank you for Jake for sending me this one. He lives in Alaska and it cost him more to send me than it actually did to make. So what I'll do, I'll link his channel in the description or in the comments as well. I'll pin a comment and you'll be able to make your own one of these and then test it out yourself. But if you have a decent set of stereo speakers, that's fine. If you don't, then stick your headphones on now, because we are going to roll the clips right now. So I hope you really enjoyed that. Hopefully you got the 3D experience from the binaural microphone. If you did, be sure to check out Jake's channel, which I'll link, like I say, in the comments below. Make sure you leave a comment on his channel to the video showing you how to make one. It's absolutely amazing what he does. If you're interested in videos or capturing or recording sound or anything like that, subscribe to his channel. It's absolutely amazing. But thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this or would like to see more of this type of video, let me know down below. Give it a like, which is down there, and why not subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot. Stay safe guys, and we'll be back soon.